Hey, did you ever need a serving tray real quick and you only had $10?
Today we're going to show you how we made one real quick.
Real quick.
Babe!
Yeah, babe.
Hey.
Hey.
I need a serving tray.
A serving tray.
Yes, for a wine and cheese party tonight.
Tonight?
Tonight.
What'd you have in mind? Oh yeah, we can make that. All right, all I'm gonna need is one 1x4. I'm gonna need that cut up into 5 equal pieces at about 19 inches a piece. Great. Now I'm gonna need 2 1/2 inch by 2 inch at 11 inches long. Great, all we need is 2 fence poles, some screws, a nail gun loaded with 1 1/4 inch brads, some glue, and my screwdriver. All right, great. Let's get started. I'm gonna lay out the 2 11.5 inch pieces at about 17 inches long, since my boards are 19 inches long and we wanna leave an inch around the sides. Put a little dab of, just get a little dab of glue. Line up my boards. Go ahead and mark an inch on each side. Come in an inch, so then you can just line them up. We're gonna come in about 1/2 inch from the top and bottom. All right, I'm just gonna need my air compressor. Great, I'm gonna tack it down. Keep those boards tight when you're tacking it. All right, I'm just gonna need some stain. I wish there was a quicker way to stain this thing. Great.
Oh, that's so big.
Oh, does look big. It looks big when you paint it. All right, now we're just gonna attach the fence poles. Each side, come in, about middle. Hey, there you go. Serving tray.
Babe, that's perfect. Thanks, you saved the day.
I saved the day.
All I need is crackers and cheese, a bottle of wine, and 2 wine glasses.
Oh,
That should be perfect.
perfect. All right, that's how we made a serving tray. Good job, baby.
Way to go.